Hello everyone, welcome to JapaEase. Today we'll learn Yabai. Yabai is a very popular Japanese word and it's used in many situations. It can mean something bad like, oh no, this is dangerous, I'm in trouble. But it can also mean something good like amazing, so good, so delicious. The meaning depends on the situation and the tone. Because of this, Yabai does not have just one English translation. Japanese people use it all the time in daily conversation, especially young people. In this video, you will learn how Japanese people use Yabai in real situation. Let's get started. It's 8 a.m. Yabai, I'm late. 30 points? Yabai. What is this? Yabai. It's so good. Oh no, I don't have my wallet. Yabai. 1%? Yabai. Isn't this person Yabai? So good looking. Good or bad, Japanese people say Yabai. You might start using it without even nothing. That's all for today. Yabai Japanese. See you.